Hello traders, another week is right upon us again. Last week the forecast was on a few selected GBP pairs and gold. I was on the bearish side of the British pound, but then momentum went to the upside I mean. So I played my correlation logic on the GBP. For the gold, it is still trading within the wedge support. So that trade idea for gold still holds. For the coming week, we have the NZDUSD, the GBPJPY, the USDJPY, and the AUDJPY on the watch list. Analyzing these first, starting with the NZDUSD. We have many levels to work with on the NZDUSD. This is our first resistance, our second level, which is a support, which is now acting as resistance for the meantime, and the last level is this one, which is a critical support area. It's a critical support area because of this area right here. That's in the October of 2018. It acted as a pretty strong resistance level, and that's why this area is very important. Let's plot our lines on them already. First resistance comes in here, and second resistance, which is former support. And finally, our current support, which was a former resistance. And there is another interesting thing happening again on the NZDUSD. Right from the 21st of March, the market found resistance and it has been trending lower ever since. We've made some lower highs, 1, 2, 3. When we swing down to the 4-hour time frame, this gives us a nice descending channel. So let's plot the levels on them already. This is the descending channel support. And the descending channel resistance. This one gives us a pretty basic trading idea. The moment the kiwi breaks upwards of the descending channel resistance, a strength to the bulls. If the resistance is able to contain prices, the bears will still be in control and the NZDUSD will keep on trending lower. So this is the view of the NZDUSD descending channel or the down channel from the daily time frame. The GBPJPY appears in the forecast again. The first obvious level comes here, which is support. The second obvious level comes here, which is resistance. And we have made lower highs over here. 1, 2. There's a third one here, which is best viewed from the 4-hour time frame. This one has presented us with a descending triangle from the daily time frame. This is the descending triangle support, which is also long-term support. And this is a usual normal resistance level. Zooming in, let's get the descending channel resistance right. So this is it for the GBPJPY. Currently, price has broken through the descending triangle resistance. And this is the view from the 4-hour time frame. Within the course of the week, any retest of the resistance as support will keep on maintaining prices higher. The retest may never come, so the moment price is still above this resistance level, it's a credence to the bulls as well. So far, the bulls are gathering momentum in the NZDUSD and the GBPJPY. I must note also that the bulls in the NZDUSD, their strength are not confirmed yet. The strength will be confirmed when the break above this one comes. Let's get on to the USDJPY. It's a pretty simple one for the USDJPY. We are dealing with a simple trend line. And this trend line has only 2 touches. The third touch is about to approach, which may never come. But if there's a rejection on the third touch, prices will push higher. If the price pierces through this trend line, prices will push lower. This trend line is acting as support. So let's change the color to red. And then comes resistance. Ever since price found resistance here, it has been trending lower. And one last thing, another support. This level qualifies as support 1. And this level qualifies as support 2. I wouldn't be keeping any of them on my chart, because if it breaks lower, markets can go as far as it wants. And then finally to the AUDJPY. The AUDJPY is in a range. We have our first resistance here, second resistance, first support, and the second support, which creates a support zone. So the support on the AUDJPY is not accurate yet, since I will not be dealing with a line on the AUDJPY support. but I'll be dealing with a zone. This is because the levels are very near. On Friday, price acted like it was approaching the zone, and there was a rejection. The AUDJPY is neutral for the meantime. So from the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that there wasn't a clear touch on the support 1. It didn't get into the zone. So price can go either way for the meantime. It'll all be dependent on Monday's market movement. And the AUDJPY would be also tracking the other JPY pairs for a direction. So this is it for the AUDJPY. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame of the USDJPY. Nothing really special is happening. And this is it also for the GBPJPY and the NZDUSD. Hopefully for the coming week, the market blesses us with some pips. I wish you a very, very profitable trading week. Let's get on to the news events that will be filling our trading week. Monday is a holiday in the United Kingdom. There won't be any fundamental news on the Monday. Oh, okay. There is a central bank announcement from Canada, and the retail sales on Monday from Australia. Tuesday is a pretty volatile day. Interest rate decision from the Reserve Bank of Australia. The CAD has the IVPMI report. The NZD would also have an interest rate decision. So Tuesday will be a pretty volatile day for the AUD and the NZD. On Wednesday, ECB goes in action. Crude oil is a normal news. We have it every Wednesday. On Thursday, there is PPI for the USD. And Friday is the day for the British pound. So that's it for this week.